Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is minimum cost to make two strings identical. So this question prerequisites is LIS, which means longest increasing subsequence. So longest is increasing subsequence. In that question we have two strings. तो हमको उन दोनों स्ट्रिंग्स को इक्वल बनाना होता है, तो उसमें हम यूज करते हैं कॉन्सेप्ट डायनेमिक प्रोग्रामिंग का. इस क्वेश्चन में भी वही डायनेमिक प्रोग्रामिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट यूज होगा. तो इस क्वेश्चन से पहले हम LIS बनाना सीखते हैं. तो हमारे पास दो स्ट्रिंग्स हैं, डीपी लगेगी इसमें. डीपी का एरे बना लेते हैं. So we will start from this cell. So here a and a is equal. Then we will look at this index and add +1 because we have match one character. So here 1. Here all we have zeros. So a and b is not equal and we have to find the maximum length, longest increasing subsequence. So we will either delete this character or this character. If we delete this character, we will have to look at this cell, and if we delete this character we have to look at this cell. So maximum is 1, then we will place 1 here. Here same as character is not equal, so we will place 1. Character not same, we will place 1. Now c and a is not equal, then we have to take the maximum value. Answer is 1. And a and b is not equal, 1, and c is equal. So we have found one more character similar. So we will look at this cell and add +1. So here the answer is 2. As you can see, AC and A and C. We are looking for longest increasing subsequence. Now C and D is not equal, so we will place 2. Now D and A is not equal, 1. D and B is not equal, 1. D and C is not equal, 2. D and D is equal. So we will place 3 here because ACD and ACD. So that's why 3. B and A is not equal, 1. B and B is equal, 2. B and C not equal. B and D not equal. So 3. So we have found that 3 characters are similar, and LIS, longest increasing subsequence, answer is 3. So now we have known that 3 character is similar from both these strings. Suppose its length is n and its length is m. So different character is n minus common character. So here n4 and common 3. So one character is different. Here m minus common characters. So m4 and common character is 3. So one different character. So one different character we will multiply with its cost. So 1 multiply cost, and one different character 1 multiply cost is 20. So here total answer is 30. So now let's jump into the code. First we have n and m, then we will create a dp of n plus 1 and m plus 1 size. Now we will run a loop from 1 index to n index, from 1 to n. Now string has indexes from 0 base indexing, so we have to look from I minus 1 and j minus 1 index. So if character is similar, we are looking for an dp I minus 1 j minus 1 plus 1 because one character is similar now. Else we are looking for longest increasing subsequence, so we will took the maximum value from j minus 1 or I minus 1. Then we have known how many characters are similar. Now we have to find the removal characters. We have to find the different characters. So we will delete n minus common character from string 1 and m minus common character from string 2. Then at the end we will return the total cost. So here as you can see, we have an I minus 1 and j minus 1, and here I minus 1 and j minus 1. So we can optimize this dp by using current and previous array. So just comment out the dp and create the m plus 1 size current array and m plus 1 size previous array, and n plus 1 is our rows. So here we are filling the current jth value, and we are looking for previous I minus 1 means previous j minus 1th value. So same as it is, we are filling for jth value, and we have to look for current j minus 1 value and previous jth value. So at here, so suppose here we have filled the current array by looking at the previous array. At the next, on the next iteration, this array is our previous array. So we will change the previous array. So just change the previous array with the current array and we will make our new array current. So at the end, we know the previous mth value. So our overall code is similar now. So if we talk about its time complexity is n cross m and space complexity is order of m. So I hope everyone have understood the code. If you still have any doubts, feel free to drop your doubts in the comment section. Thank you all for watching this video.